Thank you very much, Rorisa. I would like to first say thank you for having me here and greeting your listeners out there. My reflection of the playoffs, I can say the playoffs were well organized, first. Number two, we were very much prepared for the playoffs. Very, very much prepared. The outcome of the playoffs was what we were expecting. We knew very well that we cannot play the Super League from the LFA, winning all the games, and then we go to the playoff and then end up not qualifying. I mean, we won all the league games. The second round, we won all the league games. I mean, we can't just go there winning all the league games of the second round and then we go and struggle during playoffs. I think even us as coaching staff, we wouldn't have been doing justice to the players who have worked very hard to this far. So mentally and physically, the boys were prepared for the playoffs. So I don't think we struggled. Any game for us, I think we played all the games very much easy, so that's why we're able to qualify.
Yeah, certainly so. I mean, Coach Knox, you guys scored 17 goals and only conceded 2 goals in the playoffs. Surely it shows that offensively you are good, defensively you are strong as well.
Yes, I can safely say that, yes, defensively we were very good. Looking at the partnership we had at the back, our 2 center backs, the boys have been playing together from our under 17 level until they come to the senior team. So they are still young as they are. I think we started playing them under 17 while they were 15 years already. So that partnership was key for the playoffs as well.
Talking about having taken part at the Pirates Cup earlier this year in April, what sort of experience would you say the team benefited from playing such a cup competition?
Rorisan, one can say for the Pirates Cup, our main target when we go there was to expose the boys to that kind of a level of football. More especially, we've got so many players from disadvantaged areas. Such kind of an occasion was very much important for them, more especially to give them that confidence and believe that they can make it into the sporting code. We went there. We never changed a team. What happened was so unfortunate that, yes, or it was fortunate, let me put it that way. We had players that we had with there when we were going to the Pirates Cup or when we participated in the Pirates Cup. But due to the display that they showed there, when they came back, some teams, even our first team, they looked at them and said, no, we are taking this one up there. So some, they were taken while we were busy playing our league games. So it's a little bit disturbed us, but because we were prepared, we had some boys who were ready. So yes, it helped us. After we came back from Pirates Cup, we told the boys that, you can't be reaching top 8 at Orlando Pirates Cup and you come back here home and not win the Super League. We want to win the league and we want to win the playoffs. And we reach an agreement with players. Sometimes when you do this thing, you need to talk to players and reach an agreement. And you, as coaches, you must ask them, guys, are we agreeing on this? And if the player says yes, as coaches, you should believe what they're telling you, and they will be telling you the truth. And that helps you to make sure that the dream is realized.
You've touched a key point here, Coach Knox, when you spoke about players coming from disadvantaged families, and I see in the FAP you are competing in all fronts. I mean, the development side, you have a team in the first division, and also in the Super League you had a team that has now been promoted to a regional level. Surely the intention is clearly to expose the talent that we have in the country.
Yes, Rosan, definitely. We sometimes I would say in modern football, those that are currently benefiting as those that are much fortunate, meaning maybe financially they are well sorted. They are able to finance their kids to move up the ladder in the sporting court. But you find that the mostly important raw talent that might be required in our South African football fraternity is overlooked because of that finance or monetary advancement that one or others will have, or advantage, they will have an advantage towards it. So yes, we looked at that and said, let us go to our locations. There are so many talented kids there. Let's give these kids a chance. Let's bring them here, and then we'll take them to areas where they have never been. So in formulating this team, that was the main aim when we started the development of JDR Stars, known as the Hammer Boys. Yeah. So we wanted to give kids of disadvantaged areas a chance. So yeah, so far we can safely say we are trying our level best to ensure that this talent is not noticed outside there.
And then now, considering that the regional league will certainly start around September, October, from now in July until the official kickoff of the regional league, what will you be doing in preparing your players? Are you gonna go on a maybe off-season preparations? Are you likely to recruit new players? What will be the situation?
Thanks very much, Amory-san, for this good question. First and foremost, I would say, our boys likes football a lot. We asked them whether do you want to take a break, and they said, no, coach, we do not want to take a break. We want to continue and prepare for the MRL. I said, no. Sometimes you need to take a break. Then we came to a decision to say, okay, it's fine. If they do not want to take a break, what we'll do for ourselves, we need to try as much as we can to pick out those that we can see they are a bit fatigued, and then we can tell them, okay, you take a rest. You take a rest. You get those that feels like they still want to continue to prepare, they will continue to come to training session. And then secondly, with regard to the preparation, what we will do, we wouldn't want to distract the squad that we have. If you can check, Rorisani, last year, our under-17 team won the FAP League. These are the same players that we took from the under-17 squad to the senior team. So it shows that they are growing as time goes on. So whatever that is happening now is something that we started while they were at under 15 level. Wherein also at under 15 level they've won the league, the Super League, and then they came to under 17 and win the league. Now came to Super League and won the league. So there's something coming out of that. So we wouldn't want to distract that. However, we will try to do some assessments just to beef up there and there. Maybe just to add a little bit of experience within the squad as well is very vital to do that as well. So yeah, that's what we'll do. But with regard to the assessment, we'll also make an announcement. We have sat down to make a plan in terms of the dates as well. So once we sit down, we'll make an announcement, and we'll also let you know as to the dates when we are done.
Coach, congratulations, my brother, once again, and all the best in the MRL. we'll surely meet at various sports ground around Tshwane. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Monsang, for the time you have offered to the team. We really appreciate. May you continue to do the same unto others. Thank you.
Eitara.